Hello everyone, and welcome to another Bluetooth module tutorial from Taiyo Yuden. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to get started on Taiyo Yuden's new Bluetooth 5.2 modules. This tutorial will cover the EYSN-CN-ZWW and EYSN-SN-ZWW wireless modules. These modules are based on Nordic Semiconductor's powerful nRF52811 chipset. Hardware requirements. You will need Taiyo Yuden's evaluation kit EKSN-CN-ZWW or EKSN-SN-ZWW, which contains Taiyo Yuden's nRF52811 EVB, the J-Link Light Programming PCB, and the J-Tag serial wire debug programming cable. You will also need two USB cables connected to the computer's USB ports, one to power the evaluation board and the other to power the J-Link light board. Software requirements include Nordic SDK version 15.3, PC serial communication software, which we will use real-term for this example, SEGGER Embedded Studio version 4.52a, and the nRF Toolbox app for smartphones from the App Store. Download SEGGER Embedded Studio version 4.52a. Select the relevant installer for your PC, either the 32 or 64-bit. There are a few installation options, so for most of the screens, you can simply click Next to move through them. When you reach the Additional Component window, ensure that the Install J-Link Device Driver option is selected before advancing. Select from SEGGER Embedded Studio Tools, then Package Manager. These steps will require an internet connection. When the Package Manager window opens, select Yes and wait for the list to appear. Search for a CMSIS Core Support Package, but not CMSIS 5 CMSIS Core Package. Right-click and select Install Selected Packages. The action column should display Install. Locate the nRF CPU support package. Right-click and select Install Selected Packages. The action column should display Install. Once the above steps are completed, select Next. The selected packs will be listed for installation. Select Next to finish download. Once completed, select Finish to return to the dashboard. Close SEGGER Embedded Studio. Download Nordic SDK version 15.3 file at the link shown. Save Nordic SDK to C drive. Try to keep the file extension short. If the file extension is too long, you might encounter an error when compiling projects. The UART pin on the EVB must match Nordic SDK's UART pin assignments. Download the EVB manual from our website shown. Refer to the page shown. Note down the GPIO pin assignment for RTS, TX, CTS, and RX pins. The UART pin GPIO assignment for each nRF52811 wireless module can vary, so please check the EVB manual. Navigate to the nRF5 SDK folder as shown. Open the file PCA10.040.h. Scroll down to the line shown. TX, RX, CTS, and RTS pins should match the EVB pins assignment. If they do not match, change the pins assignment, then click Save and close. connect the EVB, the J-Link programming PCB/cable, and the two USB cables to the computer's USB ports as previously shown. Navigate to the folder shown. Double-click on BLE App UART project. The project will open up in SEGGER Embedded Studio. Go to Build, then Build Solution. Project build with no error OK. Select Target, then connect J-Link. Next, select Target, then erase all. Select Target, then download BLE App UART. When download is completed, Soft Device and BLE App UART will be successfully programmed into the evaluation board. Download and open RealTerm. Connect to the EVB using the following parameters shown. Press the reset button on the EVB. You should see UART started on the terminal window. Download the nRF Toolbox from the App Store. Open the nRF Toolbox application and select UART from the Activities selection screen. Next, grant Bluetooth permission to the nRF Toolbox app. Select Connect. Select to connect to Nordic UART from list. Select any blank icon to add a short message. Type a short message less than 20 characters and select the icon as shown. Select Create. Press the icon you added previously on the UART application. The test message you wrote should appear on the terminal window on your PC each time you press the icon. Press Show Logs on the nRF Toolbox UART application. In your terminal software, enter a message and click Send to transmit to nRF52 devices. The message must end with line feed. Message will appear in the log messages of the UART application. This concludes our Tile Unit's nRF52811 SEGGER Embedded Studio Wireless Module programming. Thank you for listening, and please visit us at the website shown for more information on wireless module products.